Hi, this is Mrs. Nelson, and in this flooding ELA lesson, we are going to work on vowels that sit side by side, but they're not common vowel teams. So you won't learn about them in the vowel team lessons with the EE, EO, AE, those lessons. You won't OI, OY. You will not see these, okay? These are vowels that sit side by side, but they come from sometimes different languages. So the syllable division rules on these are a little bit different, quite a bit different. So you're going to have to get out a paper, pencil, whiteboard, marker, and do these lessons with me so you kind of start understanding what it is we're going to do with these vowels. We do something very specific, usually, not always, depending on how many syllables are in the word, we will break them apart. Not in every single case. So let's take a look at this. All right, we're going to look at the very first one, which is the I-O words. So I'm going to scooch this over here, scooch it down, and we're going to look at I-O. Now, usually this pair of vowels gets broken. So let's write the word lion. Okay? So this will be L-I-O-N. Lion. Okay? And because we have to mark up our vowel team here, so we have a vowel, and they're not a vowel team, so I won't be VT beside them because they're not. And then we have a consonant. When you say the word lion, lie on, that I says its name, so it's instantly long, so you can break the I-O. You break these. This one you will break. Always, these are the words that you break I-O. Okay, so let's take a look at another I-O word that you would break. Let's look at the word radio. Okay, so we have here a consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, vowel. Okay, and if you remember correctly, we can break the I-O. So, way, A has a long A. So if it's a long A, you can automatically just break it right there. Radio. So we have 1, 2, 3. Radio. Radio. Okay. Here's another I-O word that you could break as well. Scion, which means children. If someone has scion, they have children. Okay, so we have consonant, but this is a S. So this is a blend right here. So we keep those together. Vowel, vowel, consonant. So the blend has to stay together. So we can remember we're breaking the I-O. So scion. So we have 1, 2. All right, so let's look at another group of vowel teams. And I'm sorry this lesson will get kind of long before it'll get short. We are going to look at the vowel team here. We had the I-O, we had the I-O vowel team. Now we are going to look at the UA vowel team. UA, so the UA vowel team. Like dual. So if you had the word dual, like two people, dual, like it's like a pair, dual. So you can break that. That UA gets broken. Dual. Okay. Individual. Let's look at the word individual. Individual. There's the UAL. So you automatically know that you can break it there. We have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. So in that case, you can say, well, I have a a consonant side by side, you can break it. In, di, if. So, if you're looking at this one, so let's look at the word individual just a little closer. So the other thing that you can notice, if you have the CVC, you can break it. In, di, vid, vid. So the U can grab the D in this. Individu, you can stand by itself. So we can break it here. In, the, vid, you, all. In, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 syllables in here. In, the, vid, you, all. That one's short. U is long. Al is short. In, the. So that one's a weird one, but again, you have the split between the U and the A. Okay? Let's take a look at it. Graduate. Let's get graduate. Okay, instantly we know we have a blend here. Gr, so that's a blend, so that stays together, so the A can grab that. Grad. Rad. You can stand by itself. UA. So you. Glad. You. Ate, because the ATE, this part goes with the E. So that, glad you ate. Graduate. Graduate. So, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so moving on, we have the EO. We're going to look at the EO vowel team that you split. Okay, so let's look at the first word, stereo. Okay, so you have the blend, the blend here. They stay together, so the E can grab that vowel team. And then we have the EO. So with the ST as a blend, the E can grab the ST. Stereo. When you say stereo, you notice that the O is long. Stereo. So you can break it here and break it here. Stereo. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's look at the word geology. We're going to look at the word geology. It also has an EO. So we have G-O-L-O-G. Now remember, with the Y is a vowel. So that's a vowel. Vowel. These two are vowel, vowel. But remember, when you have a vowel, vowel, G, you can break in between them. G, A, lo, G, A, lo, G. So you have G, A, lo, G. Every time you feel a chin dip, say it with me. G, A, lo, G. 1 chin dip. 2 chin dip, 3 chin dip, 4 chin dips. G, A, lo, G. Okay? Because that Y grabs the G, so you can break it there. The O grabs the L, so you can break it there. The O does not have, this O right here does not have anybody. It can stand by itself. O, because it says G-O-O-O. Okay? Alright, so those are, we have the I-O, we did the U-A, we did the E-O. We're going to also move on to, this is going to be a long video, so we're going to go to the I-E. I-E, okay? I-E vowels. So if I have the word orient, orient, then you can already break these two. So you already know, break. O-E-Ent. O-E-Ent. Or-E-Ent. Or-E-Ent. Okay? If you have driest, you already know that you can break in between the IE, S. So you have 2 here. 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3 up here. IE, friend. Now friend is 1 syllable. Okay? Friend. This is not a vowel team. IE is not a vowel team. Friend. You could break it there, but it's really a 1 syllable word. Friend. Okay? If I look at, so those are the more common IE words that you could possibly see. We're going to look at another set of words that are OA. Excuse me, not OA. AO. So the OA is the O, but this is the AO. So for example, if you had the word gale, that's an old-fashioned word for jail. So you could automatically just break it. Gale. If you had the word aorta, which is a big vein in your heart, aorta. So you could break, you already know the AO breaks, or aorta. Aorta. You can break it that way. Okay, chaos, the word chaos. So you already know you can break it. Chaos. Alright, so those are some of your more common vowels that sit beside each other that you don't normally think about. So this is a tough lesson. So the ones that you're going to do, you're going to practice identifying the vowels that sit beside each other that are not vowel teams. All right, if you have questions, get a hold of a teacher.